Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Sensei. I hope you are all well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up PyCharm and Visual Studio Code for Python and which one is right for you. So make sure to follow to the end of video and let's get started. In first, if you are a beginner in coding and you don't have any coding experience, so you can use the VS Code because it is easier to learn and lightweight. But if you are experienced in coding and you know about something coding, you can use the PyCharm. It is a more complex. Now we'll talk about some features. PyCharm provides some built-in functions like linting, code completion, and debugging. While VS Code, we can customize this from extensions. Now we'll talk about the community support. PyCharm has a large and active community, while the VS Code has a smaller community, but they both have a lot of resources available. Now we come to price. PyCharm Community Edition is free, but you can buy a PyCharm Professional to unlock its fully functionality, while the VS Code is totally free. Now we come to ecosystem. PyCharm is specifically designed to Python development, while VS Code you can use a wide range of programming languages. So if you made a decision which one is best for you, you can skip the timeline that are given on the main screen. So let's open the browser and type PyCharm and go to the official website of PyCharm JetBrains. Click on the download button. So just scroll down to the community edition and click on download button and start download. I will also provide the link in the description, so check it out. So let's download the Python. Download the latest version of Python. So let's install the Python first. Click on the add python.exe to the path and click on the customize installation to see the what's optional feature is. Here you can see we have the pip is by default installed, so you no need to install it again. And I want to add the standard libraries, so check on the box. And I want to change the location also. You can install it in the default location. So let's check our Python is installed. Open the run command and type cmd and write Python version. So the Python is installed correctly. Now we need to install the PyCharm. Here I want to check the boxes of update path, or you can uncheck it by your own preferences. So if you don't know about what is pip, pip is a package manager for Python packages. I will tell you later in the video. So make sure to follow me. So first we need to create a folder for our Python projects. You can open a default folder, but I need to create a new folder. So let's create it. So let's create a new file, Python file, demo.py. Here we write a simple program to just print the sentence. Here's error invalid Python interpreter. Let's configure it. Hi, I'm Creative Sensei. You need to go to the settings and go to the Python interpreter, and here add the interpreter Python 3.11 and click on apply and OK. So here all set. Let's run the program to check. Give him the access. You can adjust the panel position. I want to adjust as it left. If you are using the older version of Python, you need to install the pip for Python packages, or you can check the pip is installed or not. So here's the pip is installed by default. So if we need to download any packages, just write pip install. I want to install the Panda packages. So here it is. It's installing the Panda packages. Or if you want any other packages to install, just write the same command but rename the pandas to as to your choice. So let's set up the VS Code. I download the VS Code earlier, or you can download it. And now let's set up for Python. Create a simple file, demo.py. Adjust panel position also. But here we need some extensions. To run Python programs in VS Code, we need some extensions. For Python, we need to install the extension of Python. Click on the extension Python. I installed it earlier. As compared to PyCharm, there are also interpreter. We need to select the interpreter. So just press the Ctrl Shift plus P commands. And here you are. You can select on Python interpreter. And click on Python 3.11. So let's just write a command to run a simple sentence. Subscribe for more. Let's run it. And here it is. To run the codes in Visual Studio Code, we need extension like Code Runner. It contains on many languages, as you can see. So install it also. And if this video is helpful for you, like and subscribe are highly appreciating for me video. Bye bye. Take care.